Hello guys, uh, I am Amir from Forex Camp and we are here to help you to predict and forecast the Forex market better by these PDFs. Uh, we hope it helps you. These PDFs are free and you can check it out on our Instagram or Telegram channel or here on YouTube. At first, we show the most important fundamental news which are going to release in the current week, and they may affect the market and currency rates. And then we show the charts and technical analyses and our targets and projections. Uh, as you can see, we cover the major currencies of the market, also oil, Dow Jones, and gold. So, at first, this week, the first news would be Chinese GDP, which will release on Monday. Chinese GDP has been slowing since 2018 amid trade war and global risks. It's predicted 6.2% in yearly frequency for the second quarter. It's the lowest level since 2009. Releasing this week, this news may affect on Aussie dollar, Kiwi dollar, and stocks. Uh, the second news would be UK jobs reports and average earning index from UK, which will release on Tuesday. Here, UK jobless rate. This index remained low at 3.8% and it's expected to maintain at this level. Uh, and then average earning index. But these factors and indexes are not important for BOE or UK Central Bank. Uh, because they will not raise the interest rate because of the Brexit uncertainties and issues. And for now, the most important things or matter which impacts on GBP is Brexit issues. So we focus on Brexit news and justice. And then we have US retail sales in monthly frequency. This index is fluctuating near its 2 years average. US retail sales are yes will release on Tuesday. Then we have Jerome Powell's speech, and his speech about aspects of monetary policy in the post-crisis era in Paris. In our thoughts, his speech won't aggregate the market. He spoke about the Fed's monetary policy in the previous week. The next important one, news about Fed, will be out on 31st of July, when the FOMC meeting will be held. The market preparing itself for a dovish statement. And at the end, this is US consumer sentiment of Michigan University, which will release on Friday. So let's talk about charts and technical analysis. US dollar index has broken the lower bound of the convergent channel, and we expect this index to fall to 19.6 for the first target and 19.5.1 for the second one. And this is US dollar time, US dollar index in H1 time frame. Also, this is Euro USD in weekly time frame. The fifth five Elliott waves has completed, and now in our thoughts the bullish zigzag pattern has completed too. So we expect this pair to rise to 1.18. This is Euro USD 2 in H4 time frame. As you can see, the upper bound of the convergent channel has been broken and the price has retraced or pulled back to this level, and then it has started to rise again. So the first target in H4 time frame would be at 1.40, as it's obvious in charts. The first one would be gold, H4 time frame. In our thoughts, gold uh, can see another high at 1446, and in H1 time frame we can see a nice triangle pattern, a bullish pattern, and in our opinion the last wave of this pattern has completed. So in this time frame, uh, uh, 4023 is our first target. The next one would be pound sterling or cable against US dollar. As you can see, we show the most important resistance and support levels in this chart. This trend line is very nice, and we expect this pair to rise to 103. And then we have this chart in H1 time frame, uh, Swiss franc against US dollar. The lower bound of the convergent channel has been broken, and then we expect this pair to fall again. This is H2 time frame, and you can see nice trend lines here. We expect this pair to fall in H2 time frame too. The next one would be Japanese yen against US dollar. This pair has retraced to the broken trend line, as you can see here. So we expect this pair to fall again. Here Japanese yen 2 in H4 time frame. This is Kiwi dollar against US dollar. It's fluctuating in a parallel channel, and we expect this pair to touch the upper bound of the parallel channel. Canadian dollar against US dollar, Loni dollar. The lower bound of the parallel channel has been broken, and we expect this pair to fall again. Uh, Also, US oil price would impact this pair because they have a negative correlation. Uh, the first chart would be Aussie dollar against US dollar. This is the important resistance level because of this trend line. Uh, it may be uh, a bullish head and shoulders pattern, but it's not completed yet. If this level breaks, we can see another highs for this pair. This is the neckline of this bullish pattern. And the next chart would be Bitcoin in H1 time frame. This is the parallel channel, and the price is fluctuating at the near the low of this channel. This is oil. The trend line has been broken, so we expect another highs for US oil. Uh, this is about US 10-year bond yield, German, Japan, and UK bond yield. Uh, this chart talks about uh, how investors prefer to buy riskier assets or safe assets. Uh, and it could be a nice guide for you to know where to invest now. And at least this is the Dow Jones index chart. Uh, 27,000 is very important resistance level, which could prevent the price from moving higher. So the end, this is our PDF. Uh, I repeat again, you can check it out on our Instagram channel, on our Telegram channel, or here on YouTube. See you next week. I hope you to take profits.